Hey there, fellow seekers of financial harmony. It's Mason from Wealthy and Well here, ready to dive deep into another aspect of the intricate dance between money and personal well-being. Today, we're going to explore a topic that often carries a heavy weight of stigma and despair: bankruptcy. But let me ask you this: can bankruptcy actually restore our hope and balance? Let's find out. You see, bankruptcy is often seen as a last resort, a symbol of failure and financial ruin. But what if we shift our perspective and view it as an opportunity for a fresh start? It's like hitting the reset button on our financial lives, allowing us to rebuild from the ground up. In a way, bankruptcy can be a catalyst for change, forcing us to reevaluate our relationship with money and make wiser choices moving forward. Now, I'm not saying that bankruptcy is an easy road to travel. It comes with its fair share of challenges and sacrifices. But sometimes, hitting rock bottom can be the wake-up call we need to reassess our priorities and redefine what true wealth means to us. It's about finding that delicate balance between financial stability and inner peace. When we find ourselves in the depths of bankruptcy, it's crucial to remember that our worth as individuals extends far beyond our bank accounts. Our value lies in our character, our relationships, and the impact we have on the world around us. Bankruptcy can strip away the superficial layers of materialism and allow us to rediscover what truly matters. So, my friends, if you find yourself facing bankruptcy, I encourage you to embrace it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Take this time to reflect on your financial choices, learn from your mistakes, and seek guidance from professionals who can help you navigate this challenging terrain. Remember, life is not just about accumulating wealth, but about finding balance and contentment. And sometimes that journey begins with a clean slate. So let go of the shame and guilt that often accompany bankruptcy, and instead focus on rebuilding your life with a renewed sense of purpose and resilience. In conclusion, bankruptcy can indeed restore our hope and balance if we approach it with the right mindset. It's not the end of the road, but rather a chance to start anew. So, my dear viewers, if you found this discussion insightful and thought-provoking, I kindly ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's continue exploring the fascinating intersection of finance and personal well-being. Stay wealthy and well, my friends.